Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry guys, I can join to your Zoom because I have a bad connection, and I have try to join again with you, but the connection still bad. So I give you this video for you, ya supaya kalian nggak ketinggalan pelajaran yang sudah tadi dipelajari. Okay, we are going to discuss about reported question. Please open your book, pages 72. It's a grammar, reported statement, and question, but today we are going to discuss about reported questions. What is reported question? Reported question is to respond a statement. Kalau minggu lalu kita sudah membahas tentang reported statement, berarti kita melaporkan sebuah pernyataan. Nah, kalau reported question kita adalah melaporkan sebuah pertanyaan. Ya, reported statement melaporkan sebuah pernyataan, reported question melaporkan sebuah pertanyaan. Oke. Reported question using if, ya, usually uses the verb as to someone else. Oke. Sebelum kita bahas contohnya, can you see the difference between the question do you work in a hospital? Ya, kalau diubah menjadi statement, she asked me if I work in a hospital. Can you see what it changed? Apa yang berubah dari pertanyaannya ke statementnya? What changed? Ya, yang berubah adalah in a question, it use do, ya, it use auxiliary verb do, and the verb is verb 1, work. Do you work in a hospital? When we reported a question, kita melaporkannya itu menggunakan if, and the verb change into simple past. It's the different. If and simple past. Do-nya, auxiliary verb-nya tidak dimasukkan lagi ke reported questions. She asked me if I work in a hospital. Okay, next. What time is it? What's the difference between the questions and the reported statement? Can you see the difference? Yeah, the difference is the verb 1 change to be was. Was itu adalah tensesnya dari simple past, ya. But WH question, ya, still in a reported question. What time is it? He asked what time it was. Nah, kalau dia pakainya auxiliary verb, dia do-nya tidak dibawa lagi ke statement reported questionsnya. Tapi kalau dia WH question, dia WH questionsnya tetap dibawa ke reported questions. Ya, cuma verbnya sama-sama dia diubah ke simple past. Okay? Understand? Okay, next. Reported question use two question. First is we report yes or no question. What is yes or no question? Nah, yes or no questions ini contohnya adalah do you work in a hospital? Pasti kalau misalnya kita jawab yes I do atau no I don't. Nah, itu namanya yes or no questions, ya. Yes or no questions ini menggunakan if and simple past. Ya, apalagi selain do auxiliary verbnya. Nah, auxiliary verb ini adalah do and does. Kalau do digunakan untuk subjek you, we, they. Does untuk she, he, it. Gitu ya bedanya ya. Nah, reported question selanjutnya itu menggunakan WH questions. What is WH question? What, when, where, who, why, how. Itu adalah WH questions. Kalau dia menggunakan WH questions, dia ditambah dengan simple past. Bagaimana kalau di WH question ada do-nya? Ada ya, jadi terkadang ada soal yang setelah WH question dia ada do atau does. Ini tetap kita nggak boleh pakai di reported questionsnya, jadi dihilangkan gitu. Jadi nggak boleh ada do or does. Kenapa? Karena kan ini udah ke verb 2, jadi kan do atau does ini kan adalah verb pertama ya. Oke. Auxiliary verb adalah do and does. Oke, kita coba contohnya ya. Number 1. What time does the doctor finish? I ask. Nah, karena dia menggunakan WH question, taruh lagi di sini. I ask, what time doctor time the doctor finish, change to verb 2 or simple past. Jadi, what time the doctor finished. Okay, next. It's still WH question. So, Rachel asks when. Nah, kalau are ini dia adalah simple present. Karena kita harus merubah ke simple past. Jadinya gimana? When were they leaving? Diubah ke verb 2. Rachel asked when were they left. Okay. Next. It used yes or no question because the question used does. Does it hurt? The nurse asked if, ya, karena dia does, it used does. After ask, it used if. If does-nya jangan dipakai lagi. If it diubah ke jadi verb 2, heard it. Oke. Nah, kalau did gimana? Did itu termasuk dalam auxiliary verb. Berarti dia temennya do, does. Termasuk dalam auxiliary verb. Gimana kalau misalnya dia dijadikan reported? I ask if Emma she changed to simple past. So the doctor, sorry, ini statement bukan question. Okay. Are you feeling better? Nah, are itu dia termasuk dalam yes or no question. Are you feeling better? Kalau ada yang jawab ini pasti kan kalian jawabnya yes or no kan? Yes, I feel better. No, I don't feel better. Kan? Lindsay asked me, sini ask me di bukunya. Lindsay asked me if, ya, karena dia is on a question, if I, karena dia nanyanya ke kita, are you feeling better? Dia bertanya ke aku gitu, dia bertanya ke saya. If I felt better. Oke. Feel diubah ke simple past menjadi felt. What time did you call Dr. Bauer? Dia WH question, berarti what time? Nah, tadi yang seperti Miss bilang, biasanya di WH question itu juga suka terdapat auxiliary verb do, or does. Nah, or did. Nah, di sini juga ada nih, setelah WH question dia ada did, ada auxiliary-nya. Berarti tidak usah dipakai did-nya, nggak usah dibawa lagi. I ask what time you called Dr. Bauer. Okay, next. When did. Nah, di situ ada WH question and ada auxiliary-nya. Berarti ini bawa hanya WH question aja. He asked me. Sini di bukunya asked me ya. He asked me when karena dia bertanya ke saya, when I took the medicine. Oke, sampai sini paham? Oke, jadi gitu ya. Kalau misalnya dia WH question, in the reported question, it still use WH question. But if the question use auxiliary, does, did, do, to, ya, yes or no question, intinya yang yes or no question, yang dibawa lagi auxiliary-nya, tapi diubah menggunakan if. Oke. Coba ya. Jadi ini udah diisi sama teman-temannya. Coba yang masih kosong. Oh, ini dia. Banyak masih kosong. Oke. Where she take her bag? Izudin ask. Nah, dia menggunakan WH question. Izudin asked me where she. Nah, ini take diubah, change to simple past. Took her bag. Okay? Yeah. Look at Faza ask. The question is, do they look my book? Faza asked me, because the question use auxiliary verb, so change to if. If they look, change to simple past. Look. His book. Nah, ini ceritanya nih yang ngomong Faza. Nah, ini ceritanya yang menyampaikan adalah Revianda gitu. Jadi Faza bertanya ke Revianda. Gitu. Next, what is your favorite color? It use WH question. What? Because the verb is change to simple past. Was my favorite color. Okay, the last one. Does. Nah, apa bedanya penggunaan do dan does? Do use for the subject I, you, we, they. Does for the subject she, he, it. Okay. Ziad ask. Sorry, ini harusnya ask me. Nah, jadi ini yang ngomong Ansor, dia menyampaikan adalah Zaki. Does he get his car back? Ziyad ask me. Ziyad lagi. Ini ceritanya Ziyad yang ngomong, yang menyampaikan adalah Al-Khair. Ziyad ask me if he got his car back. Jump ke question. Jadi gitu ya. Contoh dari penggunaan reported questions. If the question use WH, ya, the reported still using WH. But if the question is yes or no question, the reported question change with if. Selanjutnya apa lagi? Seperti biasa, setiap selesai menjelaskan, you have an exercise. So, doing exercises. Make reported questions with do and does. Jadi reported questionsnya do 1, does 1, and use WH question. What, when, where, who, why, how. Itu ya. Kalau dikumpulin sampai kapan, Miss? Dikumpulkan sampai due date-nya jam berapa ya? Sore deh boleh. Jam 3 sore. Kalau misalnya nggak ngerjain bagaimana? Nah, yang tidak mengerjakan berarti Miss anggap tidak hadir di kelas, ya. Jadi please doing your exercise beside for your score, for your daily score, for your attendance too. Cukup sekian video yang Miss share. Silakan dikerjakan. Miss tunggu due date-nya sampai hari ini jam 3 sore. Yang seperti sudah Miss sampaikan tadi. Kalau misalnya you have any question, you can chat me in my WhatsApp number. So I will end this video. Thank you guys for watching and for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.